Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will talk about how to get to 20 level fast in Valorant. After the introduction of the new AP system in Valorant, you need 5000 AP points in order to level up one level in Valorant. So now the question is, how do we earn AP points? The first way is winning the first game of the day. Winning the first game of the day gives you 1000 AP points, resets every day. So every day you can earn potentially 1000 AP points. You also get 1 AP point per 6 seconds of playing at the game. So you'll get 10 AP points per minute. Also, for each game win, you get 50 AP point bonus. The best way to earn AP points in Valorant is Spike Rush. An average Spike Rush game lasts about 5 to 10 minutes, which is roughly 4 to 6 rounds. And for each win you get in Spike Rush, you'll get a 50 AP bonus. So if you win enough Spike Rush games every day, you can potentially earn a lot of AP points, and you'll also be earning 10 AP points per minute. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.